guys, welcome back to Allluxuryhair channel. And for those of you who doesn't know what Allluxuryhair is about, well, Allluxuryhair Inc. provide the highest quality of unprocessed raw virgin human hair, lace wig, frontal, hair extension, closer, Remy, Brazilian, Malaysia, Peruvian, European, Russian, Indian. We provide them all, and we ship them wherever you are in UPS and FedEx and DHL. Go there. Before I start, I just want to let you guys know to give this video a big thumbs up. When you do that, YouTube take notice and keep this video in the search engine, so a lot more people can find Allluxuryhair YouTube channel. And share this video with everyone you know who love wigs, high quality hair. Send this video to them. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, click on the red subscribe button below and click on the notification bell. So when we upload new videos, you get a notification, which is once every week we upload brand new videos for you. So here is today's wig, a blonde bombshell. And a lot of you guys like blonde. I've received some of you message me on Facebook. Yes, I do ship to Jamaica. I ship also to Africa. I ship to the UK. I ship everywhere. So I'm just gonna answer your questions. So for those of you who did not see my other video, I don't know if I didn't mention that I shipped everywhere. I do. Now this is 22 inches, 150 density, and ear to ear 13, and across here, which is here, your part is 6 inches. So you have a deep part here. I've mentioned before, yes, you want to color your lace, and always color your lace. This lace is soft and nice. You always want to color your lace. So the reason for it, when you color your lace, okay, so this wig here where the blonde is, this is 613, the color, and where the dark roots are, this is 1B. You want to color your lace. Or if you don't want to color your lace, just get a beige stocking cap. That should match with your hair scalp. A lot of us, your scalp or white, some of or you know, the color hair scalp that you have. Never mind the noise upstairs. So when you color your wigs and you wear it, or you put on a stocking cap, I'm gonna put my hand in here. This is going to be your scalp. You can see your scalp. This is not even part yet. It's not part, but you could see right through it. So that's how your scalp would look. And this is why lace wigs give you that natural look, like it's your own hair at the root. And you must always take care of this hair like the way you take care of the one on your head, meaning that you're going to wash your hair with the conditioner that you used to wash your hair with. You don't need to go out and buy a wig conditioner. If you use Pantene or Dove, you can use it. My preference is Dove conditioner and shampoo because I use them in my hair and they're so good. So what I advise is, when you put the lukewarm water, you could wash it in your sink, okay? Make sure it's a clean sink though if you're gonna wash the sink. So you pour the shampoo first, you turn on the pipe, get the warm water, test it, then you put the hair in it and brush it out, just shake it out. And after that, then you're going to get cold water with a conditioner and just condition your hair and left it there. Maybe just let it stay in the conditioner. Just as all you let the conditioner stay in your hair for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. You can do that with your wigs as well. Then you rinse that with cold water. So cold water just gives you that bounce to your hair. When you do that, now for drying your hair, just hang it and let it air dry. don't put it onto the dryer. You don't need to do that. The reason why I say to about this, you just want your hair to last you, sustain you for a long time. All of these wigs have a lifespan of 12 months, 15, 2 years. You can have them for. But it's how you take care of them. Yes, I want you to go and on Allluxuryhair website and shop because you love, or you just go there because you just want another one. You just want to have 2 or 3. So that's why you will go. So you maintain your hair the right way. Take very good care of your hair. For me, everything that I purchase is an investment. So that's it, guys. That's all that I have to say for today. And remember, we upload once per week. Give us a big like. If you have a question you'd like to ask, you can leave a comment below. But even if you don't have a question, I love reading your comment and I communicate back with you by replying to your comment. And you're welcome to come over our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. And you ask any question you ask, me or someone in the team will get back to you as soon as possible, whatever question you ask us. And we're glad you're here. And for all of you who come over and purchase on your website, would follow us on social media, thank you guys. Big kisses to all of you. We strive our best to please you guys very much. And that's what I have to say for today, and I will see you soon.